If you're not gonna be in my video, at least get out of my light.
I'm my hands in the...
Hi, I'm Mrs. Space Cadet. Welcome back to my brain, and welcome to our latest snowstorm. Dan told me that this snowstorm's name is Toby. Really, weather people? Toby? Wasn't that that kid on Baywatch's name or something like that? Sounds like a surfer dude, not a freaking winter storm. Check this out. What's a good window to show the view out of? Yeah, so that's fun. Are you pooping? So I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I thought I could at least show you how we do snowstorms. Of course, we have our essentials. Are you pooping?
Making a little peg for it.
Oh, Dan's stool broke, his little rolly stool. That's the old in with the new. Great thing about being not in the YouTube partner program, not being able to monetize my videos, is I can play copyright music in the background. I think, anyway. Look at all these projects we have in store. Fixing random things with Dan. Look at that.
You can actually sit on it. Look at that.
Today's comment award goes to... Well, here we are, 5 tantrums and half a nap later. We're outside. It's still coming down pretty hard.
The snow is too full. Too full. Too full.
It is?
Yeah.
Plow hasn't been by in quite a while, so you can't even see the road. But that's to be expected living out here. Got this sick little guy on my back because he won't be put down. Here's a little snow montage that no one cares about. I hate snow. Like, I literally hate it. I like nothing about it. You know how when it snows a lot, everyone posts pictures on Facebook and stuff of their deck, patio, chairs and table with the snow piled on top? So I guess we should do one of those or something. We don't have a patio or patio furniture, but we have these shrubs. Can't find Lily. And you can't do a snowstorm without going for a little snow cruise in the truck. Or trucky, as Lily calls it.
Trucky.
You know how in the last video I talked about how I officially started eating healthy? Yeah, what you're looking at right there is a bad influence. Brought home pizza and now
Chinese.
we're driving into town because bad influence wanted Chinese. And I have no willpower, so apparently I'm gonna eat that too. And I'll see you tomorrow when I'm 20 pounds heavier. Back from our snow cruise. Since we got pizza and Chinese, I guess diet starts tomorrow, right Dan? He won't be in the video, but I'm gonna make him open his fortune cookie in front of the camera, and that's how we're gonna end this video. Mine said, what great things would you attempt if you knew you could not fail? How is that a fortune? That's asking me a question and it doesn't even have a question mark. It has a period. So, what did you say?
It pretty much sums up your little endeavor here.
Dan says that this one sums up my YouTube endeavor. We do 3 kinds of jobs. Cheap, quick, and good. What? That's how you explain my videos?
Looks like low budget. It's quick. That's good.
That's good. Okay, I'll take it. You want to do the outro?
No.
Oh my god, you see what I work with here? Until next time.